Morning, what's up? So, this is just another newbie today, but then today I've decided that I'm gonna do one of the things from my bucket list, which is getting a tattoo done. And most importantly, I'm really scared, skeptical, as well as unsure about it. I mean, I'm not unsure, but it's just like it's going to be there with me forever. So, it's kind of scaring me out because of that thought. But yeah, there's a tattoo artist, and one of my friend he got done with a huge tattoo on his hand, so that gave me the motivation that I can definitely do this. But of course I'm not going to do it without anesthesia because I know I can't bear the pain of doing it on my collarbone. But yeah, let's see what happens.
So first of all, the tattoo artist actually shaved the portion. I had very tiny hairs there, but then he insisted on shaving the portion. So yeah. Now after that, he's actually trying to stick the tattoo. And now what he will do is that he'll trace the outline of the birds and also the lettering of the tattoo. So here I was actually trying to explain the significance of my tattoo, in which the flying birds signify freedom and the stay strong lettering is something which I remind myself whenever I'm in a situation where I need to stay strong.
तो ये निकाला जा रहा है और जो टैटू बनवा रही हैं वो ही गई अंदर से लेके बाहर तक चेहरे पे मुस्कान अंदर में खौफ.
Okay, also he's a tattoo artist from Solapur and he just made a tattoo of my friend and that was a huge tattoo. We'll show it somewhere on the screen. So yeah.
ओके
भैया आपका नाम बता दीजिए, आपको कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर भी डाल देंगे.
चश्मा बहुत बुरा दिख रही है बिना चश्मे. हाँ, कसम से झूठ नहीं
देख
बोल.
सकते हैं आप कैमरामैन किस तरह से बेइज्जती कर दिए हैं.
नहीं ब्लॉग, अरे ब्लॉग इंस्टाग्राम पे जाएगा. अच्छा नहीं, आप सही लग रही है. टैटू बनवाए हैं, थोड़ा तन दिखाया जाए, मन दिखाया
यार
जाए.
वीडियो है मेरा यार, ऐसे
Why did you choose?
the pain, but the thing is कि whenever I see this tattoo, it should remind me that yeah, I have to stay strong no matter what the circumstance or the situation I'm going through. So this is just a reminder that I have to be strong. My friends just can't stop talking in between.
And this is when it finally started. Right now, the tattoo artist is just trying to outline the borders of the birds, and you can also see the expressions on my face. I'm actually trying to control my tears because obviously it does pain a lot. And also, and here you can see that I'm holding my brother's hand because I needed to remove the pain somewhere, and he volunteered to give me his hand, but that's him suffering the pain actually. And now you can see that whenever he wipes it, I feel more pain. And this is how my friend's hand looked like after the first round of just outlining the tattoo. I was really on the verge of crying, but I controlled my tears somehow. And that's my friend. Even he's on the verge of crying right now. But yeah, I'm really thankful to him. That is how his hand looks like again now.
अभी तक थोड़ा बन चुका है, तो आपका कैसा एक्सप्रेशन? तो पैसे तो लेंगे फिर भी, उसके बावजूद पैसे तो पूरे लिए जाएंगे. चलिए पूरा किया जाए.
And now starts the second part in which he's actually trying to shade the portion of my tattoo, and this honestly pains a lot because he's just using the needle and dragging it on my skin, so you can see the expressions on my face. Again, I'm trying to control my tears, but somehow you can see how terribly I was hurt at that time. So yeah. And this is how the tattoo looked like. Only one bird is remaining to be filled now. And that's my poor friend right there. That's another friend who actually did the tattoo, and he was really strong while he did that. I'm somehow trying to explain my friends how terrible I was feeling and how much it was hurtful. And they're trying to convince me that another friend of mine, he was braver than me. So yeah. You can see that I'm almost smiling here, but honestly it was hurting like hell. Now it's the last part in which he actually puts the white ink, and this actually highlights the portions of the tattoo. And yeah, finally I'm done. That's my friend now.
This is how the tattoo looks like even after. But this looks so cute. It's too beautiful. I really cannot express how good I feel right now. It was obviously very painful. Like the anesthesia honestly doesn't work, so there's no use of using the anesthesia. But honestly, it didn't pain that much. I mean, yeah, it did pain, but then not as much as I expected. But yeah.
And all credit goes to?
All credit goes to him, Suman, and obviously the artist.
My name is Anshu.
Yeah, Anshu for enduring my pain. I got done with the tattoo, and that's Bella here. Bella, wait. Yeah. Shh. Okay. Okay, wait. She isn't letting me. Bella? Yeah. So yeah, guys, finally I got done with the tattoo, and it looks really pretty. I mean, I'm really happy with how it turned out to be, and it's as expected. Obviously, it's more beautiful than that actually. But yeah, it's like one of the things from my bucket list is obviously done now, and I feel really good about this. And I cannot wait to show this to my mom and my sister. So yeah, I'll see you later, and I'll keep you updated with how this fades or how this looks after some days. So yeah, thank you so much for watching the vlog, guys, and